Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can delete characters from Character.AI. So if you go to Characters app in your Android device, here you'd see it has a bunch of different chats I have. Let's just go for my mental health helper, and here let's just long press on these, on any one of these messages, and here on I can delete this. Okay, now I'm gonna tap on every single response that I want to delete selected messages. Uh, and see here you can start deleting these. And once you you know, have all of these responses, just simply hit on delete messages. And your character will be deleted from Character.AI. And yeah guys, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.